With another Excel problem set scenario in which I will be converting the characters, the decimal numbers to its character equivalent and its character equivalent to the decimal number, that is vice versa. So we have a range 65 to 90, that's for small uppercase A to Z. Now if you ask me that how I can remember this 65 to 90 is for upper hand letter of A to Z, I just guide my students something like in this way, that 5 plus 6 is equals to 11, so small. So you are having two ones, small. So 5 plus 11, 5 plus 6 plus 5, 11. And for this 90, how to remember this? Uppercase. So count the number of characters in uppercase, it's 9. So 65 to 90 is for small hand letter uppercase. Fine. Now what I will be doing is that I will be dragging all the way across to the round, and I will be using the fill handler to fill the series. Now here I will be doing is that equal to car, and I will be selecting the 65, that is the character equivalent of the decimal number of 65, that is the ASCII value, and we are having A. Now as I have already mentioned that vice versa, so let me select this range of cells, and whenever the cursor changes to this 4, I mean a plus in which we are having top, bottom, left, right arrow key, I can move this particular range of cell to somewhere else, like in here. And now if I want to convert this character equivalent to its decimal equivalent, we will be using code as a function. So this is a function in Excel. Now so let's select enter, and then we will be simply double clicking in it. That's it. So converting numeric number to its ASCII value, numeric number to its ASCII value to its character equivalent, and then character equivalent to its ASCII value. That's all for this small short Excel video tutorial. That's happy coding, guys.